throughput after 1 hour is 14 ship pallets per hour. That comes from the ship pallet chart on the stat wall. It understands that, and it's amazing. Hello guys, this is Krister from Visual Components, and today I'm gonna test out the Inspector 3.0. It allows AI agents to study the open layouts in Visual Components. Let's see here, I've just asked if it is able to see my layout. Okay, it can see the layout now, and it reports here that we have 145 components, 32 conveyors, 1 sub layout, and so on. Now we're going to ask you to do something. So run the layout for 1 hour. Create a picture every 10 minutes. Sorry about the spelling mistakes. Basically, I need to replace the batteries on my keyboard. We just have to live with that. Run the layout for 1 hour. Create a picture every 10 minutes. Create a mermaid diagram. And report the throughput as well as improvement suggestions. Yeah. Let's see what happens. So I just throw a whole query in there, and let's see what we get back. I have enough process detail to render a faithful flow diagram. After that, I'll close with throughput, checkpoint trend, and the highest value improvement actions. See, opening editor. What do we see in here? Don't know how to move around. We need a bigger screen. I think we can make this like this. Palette plus part types. Okay, so there are different types. Palettes. Ordered feeder. Shelf buffer on 2 warehouse shelves. Output terminal. Media fleet. To staging. Conveyor. A loading terminal. Okay, how cool is that? This looks pretty correct, I must say. Let's see here. We got stuff also. Throughput after 1 hour is 14 ship pallets per hour. That comes from the ship pallet chart on the stat wall. It understands that, and it's amazing. Where the output series reaches 14 by 60 minutes. The same KPI wall shows mobile robot utilization around 51%, worker utilization also 51%. Product is staging peaking at 16 with 9 still present at 60-minute mark. This is so incredibly impressive. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna play more with this. If you want to get started, this is the way. Yeah, you go to the Visual Components forum, you search Inspector, and you find Inspector Simulation Debugging Tool. There is older versions here. We scroll to the bottom, and you will find Inspector 3.0 for VC 5.0 and above. So you need to have at least VC 5.0, which is the current latest version. Here is a video from going through a bunch of stuff. And then there is basically more descriptions how to get this going. If you're already an expert, perhaps this is enough. For me, this was not enough, so I was checking this PDF. which basically contains a ton of information how to get started. The basic requirement is that you need to have an IDE. For example, in this case I'm using the VS Code, and I need to have a GitHub Copilot subscription. So this is what you need, and Visual Components 5.0. I will get back to this when I know more what are the capabilities and what we can do, but so far this is looking fantastic in my opinion. Ciao!